Next machine we're going to cover right now is the back extension. This is different than the back extension on the modular. This one is more isolated in that you have somewhat of an axis of rotation here. That's going to line up in the general area of my hip. Now there's a couple different adjustments that you'll encounter on this machine. Adjustment number one is for your height. That's down here. If I disengage the pin, I can slide this up and down. Now that's relevant because that is going to make me so the pad is sitting on my shoulder blade. Now, let's see where I am right now. So if I check, I can feel right now it's right on my shoulder blades. I have a slight bend in my knee, so I know I'm adjusted properly. My next is I'm going to put the seat belt on. What this seat belt does is this keeps your hips from rising up and down, which is going to in turn help with the isolation aspect of the machine. Once I'm situated, my knees are slightly bent, I'm going to now get into my posture. My posture is chest out, squeeze my shoulder blades together, I'll cross my arms. Notice how my lower back is in good position. Then from here, keep my eyes forward, I'm going to push the weight back, then come forward. Notice how I'm not slamming the weights. And I should be trying to isolate the lower back. I don't want to put a lot of weight on this. I'm just using the weight to get the muscles in my lower back activated. Now, if you find that the pad is sliding up and down your back, you're not adjusted right. You're probably adjusted too short. And if the pad is setting up on your neck while you're doing it, obviously these are too low. So you're going to want to readjust. You never want to sacrifice your technique in these machines. It's the first and foremost thing I always want to set up. And once again, I can adjust my weight the same as on all the other selectorized machines, and I can use my donut weights to find that weight in between. When I'm done, simply disengage the seat belt, and then I'm getting the machine ready for my next set or the next part.